Hi children, good morning. Okay, صباح الخير. كيف حالكم؟ ما شاء الله. Okay, هل تذكرتم ماذا درستم في الصف الماضي? Are you remembering what you studied in last class? يوم سعيد. Okay children, what is the meaning of يوم سعيد? Okay, it is happy day. Which day? Which is happy day? Okay, that day Nabil is going to school. He is celebrating. Okay, Eidul Istiqlal, Yawmul Istiqlal, Independence Day. Okay, Yawmul Istiqlal. Okay, then I will ask some questions. Okay, ila aina yadhhabul waladu? Yadhhabul waladu ila al madrasa. Okay, for what? Okay, that day Yawmul Istiqlal, Independence Day. Okay, that day every his friends, students, asdiqahu. Okay, nashadu nashidatan wataniya fi tabur sabahi. In Nabil's friends, they everyone sing a song, nashidatul wataniya fi taburi sabahi. Fi taburi sabahi is hubbul watani deenuna. Okay, today we can study that meaning. Hubbul watani deenuna, hubbul watani shiyamuna. Okay, hubbul watan is patriotism. Hubbul watan, patriotism. Deenuna, it is our ideology. Patriotism is our ideology, means or our religion. Next, hubbul watani shiyamuna, patriotism is our characteristic. Patriotism is our shiyame. Shiyame means characteristic. Shiyame characteristic. Okay, patriotism is our characteristic. Next, hubbul watani, hubbul watani, hubbul watani fakhruna. Okay, hubbul watan, patriotism means love of our nation. Hubbul watan, patriotism. Fakhruna, it is our proud day. Patriotism is our proud day. Fakhre means proud day. Fakhre proud day. Fakhre proud day. Okay, patriotism is our proud day. Khidamul watani indana khairu kulli kasbina. Khidamul watan, service to nation, service to our nation. Khaira kulla kasbina is better than other services. Okay, service to our nation, service to our nation, it is better than other services. Hidame means services. Hidame services. Hidamul watan, service to our nation. Khairu kulli kasbin, was khairu, better, kulli kasbina, to all our services, better than or to all our services. Next, nuhdi kulla juhdina, nafdi kulla kabdina. Nuhdi, we submit. Nuhdi hadiya. Okay children, hadiya. Nuhdi, we submit kulla juhdina, all our efforts. Nuhdi submit. Hadiya, we submit. Nuhdi we submit. Nuhdi we submit the kulla juhdina, all our efforts. Nafdi kulla kafdina. Nafdi we sacrifice. Fidiya, nafdi sacrifice. Nafdi sacrifice kullu kabdina, all our hearts. Kabd means liver, heart. Kabd, heart. Okay, heart. Kabd, heart. Okay, then we sacrifice to all our hearts and we submit kulla nahdi kulla juhdina, we submit all our efforts. Nafdi kulla kabdina, we sacrifice to all our hearts. Next, Hubbul watani deenuna. Yes, patriotism is our ideology. Patriotism is our religion. Next, Hubbul watani shiyamuna. Patriotism is our emblem. Patriotism is our characteristic. Next, Hubbul watani, Hubbul watani, Hubbul watani fakhruna. Hubbul watan, Hubbul watan, patriotism, patriotism. Hubbul watan, patriotism, fakhruna. It is our proud. It is our proud. Okay, children, are you understand? It is very good, very nice song. Very nice song. Okay, it is Nashidatun Wathaniya. Is okay. Nabil's friends Astikakun Nabil Nashadu Nashidatun Wathaniya fi Taburi Sabahi. Fi Taburi Sabahi. They sing a song in their assembly. In their assembly. Okay, in Independence Day. In Independence Day. Next day. Ifudul Wathani Adfuna. Mislu ifili dinina. Iful watani adfuna. What is the meaning in the iful? Yes, right, children. Iful means protection. Iful protection. Iful protection. Iful protection. Okay. Iful watani, protection of our nation. Adfuna. That is our aim. Adful. Adful aim. Adful. Okay. Iful watani adfuna. Protection of our nation. It is our aim. Mislu ifilidina. As we protect our religion. As. Misla means as. Misla adfi. Misla ifilidina. As we protect our religion, we must protect our nation. We must protect our nation. Next. Nurul watani wa'aduna. Hurrul watani izzuna. Nur, children, what is the meaning of Noor? Noor jam anwar. Okay, light. Okay, Noor, light. Noor, light. Okay, Noor, Noorul watani, light of nation. Wahaduna, it is our offer. Wahad means offer. Noorul watani, light of nation. Wa'aduna, it is our offer. Hurrul watani, hurre, hurre. Okay, freedom, freedom of our nation. Izzuna, izze, fakhre, proud. Izzuna, that is our proud. Okay, the freedom of our nation, that is our proud. Okay, the freedom of our nation, that is our proud. Okay, Hubbul watani deenuna. Hubbul watani shiyamuna. Hubbul watani, Hubbul watani, Hubbul watani fakhruna. Okay, I thought everyone understood. Okay, shukran. Tomorrow we can meet. Okay, then today's homework, everyone this song with the meaning write and send your audio to me today before 8 o'clock. Okay, okay, we can wind up our class. Shukran.